My fifth grade counseling curriculum is all about executive functions, and this is the curriculum that I use. I'm Carrie, I'm a mental health counselor turned school counselor, and I'm going to show you every lesson inside the curriculum. This is lesson 2, which is part 2 of our introduction to executive function skills. So as always, our lesson starts with a full outline. We have our objectives and everything you need to know about your anticipatory set, your instruction, all of that, your materials list, and your Ask a Mindset. Now, using our slides, we're just going to briefly review this executive function information, just the overview of what each skill is. Then we're going to break students into small groups and assign each group a skill, and they are going to write the skill and then their group member names here, and they're going to design a character to represent that skill. Now, I do print it double-sided with this on the back just so they have that reminder for all of the skills, but they're going to design it there. Now, I don't like to give them an example because I don't want to sway them, but these are some examples for you to see. So if I assigned working memory, maybe they're going to design a sticky note character, and you can add in a layer of challenge and say, give it a speech bubble that shows that you know what it is, but they're going to design their character, say what it is and why it represents their skill. So that's an example for working memory. And then that's an example for response inhibition. It's a traffic light that helps people to stop, think through their options, and then make a positive choice. If you have groups that are finishing at different times, you can have them go back and work on their executive function self-assessment if you need them to have something to do for a couple of minutes. But then they all share their characters and explain why they created what they created. I find that they remember what each of the skills are way better when they design characters to represent them, and then we can have them present to reference back throughout the unit. At the end of the lesson, they're going to take that post-test that they started in lesson 1, just explaining in their own words what executive function skills are. Check back soon because I'm going to show you 3 lessons that are all about goal setting and goal-directed persistence.